welcome back to Wavelength. And guess who's beside me? Oh, I can't see for myself. Wowchi, what's up?
Yeah, you know it's Wowchi. I'm lyrics not bag like grocery. Them can't approach me, the music president. Yeah, I mean I say it's a pleasure to be here, you know.
Alright, thank you. And that was Wowchi. But before we go back to Wowchi, let me go to my Facebook/Twitter discussion. And the question is, why do you think less young artists are singing reggae compared to dancehall music? And Anthony Morgan on Facebook respond was, dancehall can bring you quick money along with fame, and you can record vocals about anything that rhyme and sound good. I am not sure why, but we need more reggae artists. While on Twitter, the viewers are saying, consciousness leave Jamaica. Wowchi, your opinion on the question?
That's not true. You know what I mean? Jamaica is a country full of conscious artists, you know what I mean? And you don't know music business, you have the conscious side, and on the other side you have some man that spit some lyrics where you know, vice versa the thing, that's how we do the thing, you know what I mean? So, good luck for the music business, same way. Positive youth out there, you have youth still at the fun music like myself, you know what I mean, which will still stay on the positive side.
And that's Wowchi comment. No, Wowchi, tell me a little about yourself. What is going on with Wowchi?
Mad thing, Jamaica. You don't know Wowchi, you know, lyrics in a bag like grouse, so them can't approach me, you know, or no wrongdoers approach me. Anyway, I don't know Wowchi been doing a lot of good things, you know what I mean? With this thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, I was a so good artist for KFC, you know what I mean? Wowchi expression, you know what I mean? All the things, man. Gallery bunks, you know what I mean? Just straight music, straight performance, all over, peace tour, everything. We just take on school them and be a thing, you know what I mean? You know, stop your someone, you can't stop, you know, keep on going, you know what I mean? More love, you know? All Jamaica, we're blessed on right now, pure love, you know?
Okay. Wowchi, I want to hear the mosquito time song.
Mosquito time. Mosquito time. Them worse than fly. By the mosquito kind. Them bite up with child. Suck out me blood all the while. Mosquito them no fizz like them want take over jam down. The way mosquito enough every time me talk me name song. Me house me a fi back down. Me bedroom a fi lock down. We buy a tennis bat we a shock fi bat some. Mosquito bad round here. Every time me them drive we mad round here. We use destroyer. Everything we have round here. These mosquitoes have no fear. They want to give malaria. They take over the atmosphere. Portmore anthem. Want a mosquito over there.
Mosquito time, I love that song. So thank you, Wowchi, for giving me that song. But show people a little more of Wowchi.
Yeah, man, you know, we're versatile, so people in Kirstenile. We're versatility in a normal, you know what I mean? New generation, Wowchi. I may say I big up everybody out there, you don't know. Wowchi live and live in colors and could take off your shades, no? Artist.
Let me give you the space.
Real show now. Grand 5. Whoa, little girl, where you 10? People a say that she a follow friend, say that she a follow them, but her uncle a touch her, that's a the problem, uncle molest her, that's a the problem, and now she run away. Everybody, I wonder when Nicky the one I name Grand 5, round a back road, Grand 5. She rode with from her grandmother house, come a back road, now I live careless life, dirty life. She a say that she no business. Every night on the road she do business. She meet a man in a the go-go club the other night while she a dance and I give striptease. Him pay her lots of money and she eating like a Wrigley's. This worse than Ripley's. She catch AIDS, gonorrhea and herpes and syphilis. And I feel how much? Grand 5 on the back road. Serious matter, this was it, man.
And that is Wowchi.